Hello, my name is Kizito. Welcome to the application Easy Cars. Today I'm going to walk you through the functionality for this application. First, we're going to navigate through the directory bin, and then we are going to run the file vehicles. Now it's going to display a numbered list of cars, and we are going to choose number 3 and enter. Okay, you selected number 3, which is the Genesis, and there is the cost as well. Okay, to view the details of this car, we can just type in yes. Okay, here are the details, which is the mileage, the miles per gallon, the exterior color, the internal color, the fuel type, the engine, and the drivetrain. And if you want, you can also visit the link to this vehicle by typing link and then opening it. After that, if you're done, you can type in exit and it'll close the application. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.